Angles and their measure. Degrees, radians. Suppose we have two rays starting from same point, vertex, this ray and another ray, and let's say this is the initial side and we are going counterclockwise direction and terminal side, then this angle is alpha and we say positive because of counterclockwise direction. Okay, this is how an angle is formed. At the same time, we can have the angle in clockwise rotation, in clockwise direction. So we can go clockwise and get to the terminal side. And in this case, we say the angle has negative measure. Sometimes we can start from the initial side, counterclockwise, go past that line. That means this will be more than one full rotation. That's more than 360 degree. We can have that type of angle as well. Okay, let's draw the following angles. 45 degrees. As we know, we have vertex, initial side. This is a ray, and if we go straight, that would be 90 degrees, but halfway this would have been 90 degrees, or a right triangle, but halfway in counterclockwise direction, that's 45 degrees. Okay, the quotients are 45 degrees, 90, 225, 450. Negative 90 degrees. Let's say this is the initial line or initial side. Negative means we have to go clockwise, and 90 means straight. So right triangle, okay, straight and this way, that's negative 90 degrees. 225. As we know, let me show you over here, we have this initial side. If we go straight on the other side, so now it becomes a line, by the way. This is 180 degrees. Okay, 225 is past 180, so this is initial side. Straight line would be 180, so it's more than 180. How many more degrees? 45, so something like this. Okay, positive means counterclockwise, so this is 225 degrees. Similarly, 450. 450 is initial side. If we go around one full rotation, that's 360, and this is more, 360 plus 90 is 450, so we have to go straight up to this point. This like 90, but we have to go one rotation and 90. That's 450 degrees. Okay, now let's go to the second type of measure for an angle. It's called radians. Okay, radian measure. This is important in calculus, so we want to learn how to measure an angle in radians as well. Suppose we have a circle of, let's say, radius, we can say r, and this is also r. If we connect anywhere, this will be radius. But if we take this length on the circumference here, okay, arc length equals to radius, so this is also, this length is also r. Then this arc length subtends an angle at the center, and that is 1 radian. So this is, by the way, 1 radian. Sometimes radians is denoted by c, so 1 radian. Okay, that's the notation of 1 radian. So this is how 1 radian is measured. And by the way, if we go around a full rotation, that's 360 degrees, which is same as 2 pi radians. So we need to know the following. 360 degrees is same as 2 pi radians. Okay, so from this relation we can change degrees into radians and radians into degrees in next video.